So in this code I made some changes here to make it more clear, because in this version here of the data grabber for the coronavirus data, you see all this data for all these days, but let's say that we wanna just have the data of yesterday. So I made this and I have done this thing here. I'll let you see making it again. Corona yesterday. So we are gonna import pandas SPD, and then we are going to also from date time import date time. And now to get the data of yesterday, we are gonna grab the date time dot day dot today, and we just want the day and -1 to be yesterday. So if we print yesterday, we will see that it is 25. I'm gonna just also grab the month. Let's duplicate this. And okay, and so now we are gonna check what URL and day, and the URL will be equal to all this address here where the data is, where the repository is, plus URL. So this is the address where I get the data frame. So we'll use panda red, the comma separated value of the URL error bad lines equal false, and then I will print what that is confirmed or covered of death, and ends with the space, and then results. That will be the data frame of the data frame with the column country region to select Italy, and so that is equal to Italy. And then of this I just want the last day, yesterday, so it will be the month, right? That is 2, and then this thing, and then the day, and then the year, that is 20. We'll leave it this way, and then we will print list and result to have just the last number. So now we got let's say now that a list of the confirmed, recovered, and that will be confirmed, covered, and that. And for this we are going to this is all equal until this, so we could also put it here, and so we just wanna I'm gonna simplify here. Dot comma separated value. Okay, I'm gonna leave it this way, and then the day will be always yesterday, so we don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. And so I'm just for n in range len lcrd, I'm gonna check, or better, don't need this too, lcd, check w and yesterday. So I made it a little more simple here. Save it. Let's see if there is any mistake. This is too much. Don't need it. Let me call this what? Or And so we need to put here parentheses, run parentheses, and then run. As you can see here, I am confirmed at 322, recovered 1, and that's 10. And now I made a little change here. I added another couple of days. I put yesterday, the day before, and the day before that one, and I made another for cycle here where I print the day and follow it by the data, the data about that day. So I have 3 days here. So let's run it and let's see what happens. We got the 23 of February with the confirm recovery on that, 24 and 25, so that you can check that there is more confirmed cases, not so much recovered, and the death that going this way. So this is what you can do now. Watching 3 days. If you want to see more days, you could add them to this, or you could also do something like for n in range 0, 1, 4, range 1, 3, minus n d dot append, and here days for the days, just a little update here of the code, and okay, so that's all for now. And so if you put the range here from 3 to 0, going backwards, can also change here the number to have more days. And so you can see this evolution here.